The next day, the princess was sitting with her family at the dinner table when someone knocked gently on the door and was surprised to see that it was the frog who had someone succeed to reach the palace on his own. The princess shut the door immediately and sat back at the table. Who was it that upset you so much, my darling? Her father asked. Oh, father, said the princess, not knowing how to explain what happened at the lake. Yesterday I was playing with the gold ball that you gave me as a present. When I dropped it in the lake, there was a frog there, and the frog offered to help me get it out from the lake bottom. In turn, had to promise that he could live with me here. The king thought for a while, but then he asked, you are a princess, and would never give empty promises. Stick to your words and let him in. The princess went to open the door, and the frog jumped rapping and splashing sound. The frog turned his head to the princess. Please lift me so that I can sit on the chair next you. He asked. The princess placed the frog on the chair next to her. She was waving her hand in disgust when the frog spoke again. Live on the